The vast blue ocean not only supports countless living beings, but also holds many hidden treasures. People continue their search to understand the mysteries of life and discover extraordinary substances. Astaxanthin, the most formidable antioxidant known to nature, has been unearthed by humankind. This carotenoid displays an antioxidant capacity that outstrips beta-carotene by 11 times, synthetic astaxanthin by 55 times, vitamin E by 550 times, and vitamin C by 6,000 times. Research has unveiled that intake of natural astaxanthin leads to notable enhancements in human immunity, athletic performance, retina protection, and delivers anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. It also aids in the prevention of cardiovascular diseases and diabetes. Natural astaxanthin provides notable improvements both internally and externally, offering beauty from inside out without side effects. In aquaculture, natural astaxanthin enhances fish color, immunity, reproduction, and stress resistance, proving invaluable in pet and livestock breeding. Haematococcus pluvialis, an excellent source of 100% pure natural levoastaxanthin, was first discovered in high salinity, frigid regions before being cultivated and extracted as a food ingredient. However, traditional cultivation of H. pluvialis suffers from weaknesses such as unstable production, poor quality, large space requirements, geographical constraints, and susceptibility to weather, pests, and diseases. Iconthin Biotech, in collaboration with Bioalgo, overcame the challenges of algae cultivation. After 15 years of R&D, they developed a unique and patented indoor technology for cultivating Haematococcus pluvialis to produce astaxanthin. This method has revolutionized the conventional weather-dependent cultivation techniques, enabling zero pollution, all-weather, automated, and sustainable green production of Haematococcus pluvialis. Iconthin Biotech utilizes a cutting-edge, microfluidic platform to study microalgae. Their remarkable accomplishments in cell wall disruption and supercritical carbon dioxide extraction techniques have been published in prestigious journals. By maintaining rigorous GMP standards and employing pristine algae cultivation technology, Iconthin Biotech is able to provide superior astaxanthin products. This commitment fuels Iconthin's vision of becoming a worldwide supplier of natural algal products. Unlock the secrets of microalgae. Improve the quality of human life. As a pioneering force in the health revolution, Iconthin Wellspring of advanced astaxanthin and biological offerings is committed to enhancing global well-being. Journey with us into a future where exceptional health is not just a dream, but a tangible, shared reality.